friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new video. And in today's video we are going to review another atta that's available in the market these days. That is the Atta from Madam. So guys, this is another Indian atta brand here named as Madam here, and today we are going to review the Madam Atta. So guys, starting off with the review of the product, first of all let's look at the packaging. It comes in this plastic pouch here, and right on top we have the Madam branding. Right here is the Madam branding. Here is the tagline which says Acha khao, Acha khilao, and then there's a pure vegetarian symbol right here. Then right here it says it's a whole wheat atta, whole wheat flour, made from whole wheat flour. It's whole wheat flour in English. It says premium quality atta right here, and then they are shown the illustration of the wheat and the rotis made from the wheat flour. Coming to the sides of the packaging here, again we can see the Madam branding and their tagline right here, and here again it says whole wheat atta. We have a similar thing on the other side as well. Moving on to the back of the pack. Moving on to the back of the pack, here's the Madam branding again, and there's a small paragraph about Madam, which is Madam whole wheat flour defines excellence. At its best, it is made from the finest quality wheat. The wheat is hygienically processed and ground under stringent quality checks to maintain its nutritive values and to obtain premium quality whole wheat flour. Madam whole wheat flour is the perfect ingredient that binds taste and nutrition and to serve super soft rotis, parathas and puris. Okay, so that was a small information about Madam Atta they are given here. Right here is the nutrition facts that they are mentioned, if you can see this. Moving on, ingredients are whole wheat flour, no additives or preservatives used. Commodity is whole wheat flour, that's Atta, and the MRP of this product is 235, and the net weight is 5 kgs. The net weight here is 5 kgs and the MRP is 235. The shelf life is 3 months from packaging. That is shelf life here. And yeah, that's all the information I have here about Madam Atta. And Madam Atta is a product from the Sri Malad Dal Mill group of companies. So here is the logo of MDM, which is Malad Dal Group. So Malad Dal Mill Group. That is why MDM logo is there. So yes guys, this is the Madam Atta, and if y'all have tried out the Madam Atta, do let me know your experience with it in the comment section below. And guys, if y'all have liked this product, and hit the like button. If y'all have liked this video, hit the like button. And guys, if y'all have if y'all like my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.